Sound patterns. Hello everyone, welcome to TARATABONG, land of the meloditties. Hello Trumpee, hello Snaree. What are you doing today? I see your mother has told you how to cultivate a vegetable garden, and you're sowing seeds. And what vegetables are you growing? Never mind, meloditties. If you can't remember, it doesn't matter. The important thing is that the seeds grow well, don't you think? Meloditties, you look really funny when you get down to work. I say, look who's coming. Maestro Nomo, Grando, good morning. What are you playing, Maestro Nomo? Ah, you're playing the music written on this page of the book. What is it, Maestro Nomo? Snaree and Trumpee are planting the vegetable patch, but they've scattered the seeds all over the place. But why are you laughing, Maestro Nomo? Good heavens, Maestro Nomo, the seeds in the drills look like the music written in your book. Snaree, what pattern are you making? Well done, Snaree. Who knows what music will emerge from your seeds, huh, meloditties?
Oh.
Good gracious me, what beautiful music! His notes seem like drops of rain. Welcome, Xylo brothers. Well done, meloditties. You have sewed a really nice piece of music. What's that, Maestro Nomo? You've got an idea? We'll follow you. Goodness knows what Maestro Nomo is thinking of now. But Maestro Nomo, those are hills. Good heavens, Maestro Nomo, you're getting Trumpee to play the pattern of the hills. Please, Maestro Nomo, let us hear it once again before you rub it out. Really amazing, Maestro Nomo. Will you draw us another pattern? Hey, meloditties, don't be so naughty. And now, Maestro Nomo, what else will you draw us? Maestro Nomo, I say heavens above! That's me! But meloditties, I'm sure you don't want to play my face. Meloditties, you're just as rascally as ever. Goodbye, rascaloditties. Goodbye, everyone. See you again in TARATABONG.